Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Google Pixel 8. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your home screen to open up the settings menu. This will take you to your main settings page where you can access all the system configurations and features. Now, I'm going to walk you through 3 different methods to resolve your Wi-Fi problems so you can try them one by one until the issue is fixed. Let's start with the first method. In your settings, tap on Network and Internet. This section controls all your connectivity options and network behavior. Once you're in, look for and tap on Adaptive Connectivity. This feature is designed to automatically manage your network connections, but sometimes it can interfere with your Wi-Fi stability. Inside Adaptive Connectivity, you'll see 2 options: Auto Switch to Mobile Network and Optimize Network Battery Life. Go ahead and tap the toggle button next to each of these options to turn them off. Disabling these features prevents your phone from automatically switching away from Wi-Fi when it detects a weak signal, which can often cause unnecessary disconnections and connectivity issues. Now let's move on to the second method. Go back to your main settings page by tapping the back arrow. Scroll down until you find System and tap on it. This section contains important system-level settings and maintenance options. Once you're in the System menu, scroll down again and tap on Reset Options. This is where you can reset specific network components without affecting your entire device. Now tap on Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This action will clear all your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, which can often resolve persistent connectivity problems caused by corrupted network data. After selecting this option, tap Reset to confirm. Give your phone a moment to complete the reset process, and once it's done, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password again. And if the issue still persists, here's the third and final method. While you're still in the Reset Options menu, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. This is a more comprehensive reset that clears all your cellular and network configurations. Next, tap Reset Settings to proceed. Your device will now prompt you to input your device password for security purposes. Go ahead and enter your password, and the phone will begin resetting your mobile network settings. This process might take a few seconds to complete, so just wait patiently while it finishes. And that's it. You've now tried 3 effective methods to fix Wi-Fi issues on your Google Pixel 8. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.